Here they come. And they're off and trotting from the inside past the plate, from the outside, Powerful Father. Both from the Brink stable, a 1-2 as they race into the first turn. Past the plate with a length lead. Powerful Father will drop over there. Second, Storm Winds is trotting third here in the early going. Dr. Vinkman moves into fourth as the 2-year-old trotting Colts and Geldings move over to the quarter-mile marker. Moving up on the outside, fifth now is J.D. Cheese. He's on the move for Todd Warren as they trot past the quarter in 30 seconds flat. 30 seconds past the quarter. It's past the plate by a length and a half. Powerful Father is still right there second. Storm Winds is trotting third. J.D. Cheese drops in on the inside there fourth, followed by Dr. Vinkman fifth, as the 2-year-old trotters race past the half-mile marker. Past the half, they move towards the draw gate, and Mike Brink just takes over now with Powerful Father. Powerful Father trots up, he takes over, leads them past the draw gate by a length and a half. Past the plate is back there second. J.D. Cheese moves up fourth on the outside. Racing fifth is Storm Winds. Dr. Vinkman is back there sixth as they move towards the 3/4 mile marker. Mike Brink has the lead here with Powerful Father, still a length and a half. Past the plate is still right there second. Moving up on the outside, Dr. Vinkman was third. He moves into second. Right on his back is J.D. Cheese. Also on move, Pastor Clint. Pastor Clint comes at the leaders. He sweeps out there three wise. J.D. Cheese has trot, needs racing room. Up on the outside now, though, Dr. Vinkman and Pat Curtin. Dr. Vinkman with the lead. Powerful Father still there second, past the plate. Homer's Hobby Horse with a late move, but it's Dr. Vinkman home, the winner, followed by Powerful Father past the plate, and Homer's Hobby Horse in 1:59.4.